pathogenicity or the property of causing diseases. Remember, a pathogen is a disease-causing agent. So what causes disease? Qualitative measure. So these measures do not involve numbers. The microorganism has a specific capacity to cause the disease. What is the definition of virulence? Virulence is a quantitative measure. So this has to do with numbers. And so the extent of pathology, pathologies, causes and effects of the diseases. So you may have X number of microorganisms doubling into the next generation in a specific time. That will be your virulence because it is a quantitative measure involving numbers. Difference between an infective dose and lethal dose. So an infective dose is pretty much the cause of the specific disease, number of pathogens that is first required to show signs of infection. So that specific number is your infective dose. Now, a lethal dose sub 50 measures the cause and effects of the diseases that kills 50% of its host population. So whatever that specific dose that causes 50% of the host population mortality is the lethal dose. Now, how does that look on a graph? Notice on your x-axis, you have number of organisms, y-axis, percentage mortality. Notice that lethal dose 50. So this is what takes the pathogen, kills the host organism 50% by 50%. Strain A, in this case, your lethal dose 30. All right, lethal dose 30. Look at the number of organisms. In this case, 30 versus 50.